All the assignments in this course will lead you to complete a single project, and that is going to be an e-learning lesson. So the first assignment is going to be an e-learning project proposal. The second one is going to be a paper prototype. And then the last one is going to be the digital version of your prototype along with a final report, which is going to be a reflection on the entire process. All of this is going to be supported by discussion. And here is the distribution of the weights of each assignment with regards to the course total. You will be able to find all the details about the assignments in this course on the course website, the assignments link, and all assignments will be listed there. When you need to see your grades, you go to the My Grades link. And you'll basically see the information about how many points you've obtained in any assignment. Regarding assignment policies, there are assignment requirements documents for each assignment. In those documents, you will find what you have to submit, what is the content and the format, when you have to submit, where, and how. The documents will supersede any explanation offered via email, etc. And the only reason for that is that I may forget any specific details about the requirements, but the documents contain all the details. There's no resubmission options. The reason for these is that there are clear explanations for each assignment, and those assignment documents have been refined over time so that they address all the questions you may have. And of course, if you still have questions when you see those documents, you don't need to hesitate to ask. It's very important that in advance you read the documents, you clarify your questions, because you won't be able to resubmit. There's also no makeup credit. And so you need to be prepared for that. There are late submission penalties. So if you, because of any reason, you weren't able to submit in time, you still can submit your work. I'm not going to give you a 0 for late submissions. There will be deductions. So 3% if you submit after the deadline, but within 24 hours. There's going to be a 5% deduction if it's after 24 hours, but within a week. And then 10% if it's after a week. Remember, deadlines are important. We have them in our daily lives. If you get to the movie theater after the movie has started, you miss those first few minutes. If you convene a group of students into a classroom and tell them that the lesson is going to start, you better have all those materials ready for them to learn. Also, what counts as a valid on-time submission? Your file needs to be uploaded into the system, whatever we said that you had to upload your assignment. Your file needs to be able to open. A file that doesn't open, it doesn't work, it doesn't contain an assignment, I don't know what it contains, can't see it, it's not going to count. Your submission has to have that required assignment. If you submitted a file and it turns out it's a picture, it's a blank paper, it's a document for another class, it does not count. And late penalties will be assessed if your file does not meet those requirements, even if you submitted them on time. So watch out for that. Test your files once you have submitted them.